Lucas, are you cold now?
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lucas é canadense e tá com frio. Agora você imagina eu. Oh, in Portuguese. From my friends in Brazil.
Oh.
And
I can't understand you. Speak English.
no,
Speak English.
my friends in Brazil don't understand English.
It's Canada.
You're in Canada.
Eles estão falando que aqui é o Canadá, então tem que passar frio dentro de casa. Oh, I have solution. Look.
Oh my god.
Cold here? No, here no, here hot. Please, very cold in downstairs.
Ah, you're crazy.
No,
Yeah.
I know crazy.
I think so.
I
I'm gonna
just,
lock my door.
I am just cold.
Oh.
And tomorrow,
Yeah.
Cold, a gente tá com um problema aqui.
Something will die.
Please.
What? You speak Portuguese?
Yeah, certainly.
Problema and problem.
One more.
In Portuguese, problema.
Problema.
In English, problem.
Wow.
Yes,
So similar.
yes.
So then you can speak English well.
Tchau, gente. Tá muito tarde já pra ficar gravando coisinhas pra vocês.
Are you speaking Chinese?
Hey, don't make fun. Don't make fun of us.
Eles falam muito rápido, acho que eu entendo. Tchau.